What happens when metals react with water? Activity. Collect the samples of following metals: aluminum, copper, iron, lead, magnesium, zinc and sodium, calcium, gold, silver, potassium. Put small pieces of the samples separately in beakers half filled with cold water. Sodium, calcium, potassium metals react with cold water. The increasing order of their reactivity with cold water is Ca smaller than Na smaller than K. Metals like potassium and sodium react violently with cold water. In case of sodium and potassium, the reaction is so violent and exothermic that the evolved hydrogen immediately catches fire. 2K plus 2H2O gives 2KOH plus H2 plus heat energy. 2Na plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus H2 plus heat energy. Potassium and sodium metal produce fire on water. Calcium and magnesium metal start floating after some time. The reaction of calcium with water is less violent. The heat evolved is not sufficient for the hydrogen to catch fire. Ca plus 2H2O gives CaOH2 plus H2. Calcium starts floating because the bubbles of hydrogen gas formed stick to the surface of the metal. Magnesium does not react with cold water. It reacts with hot water to form magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen. It also starts floating due to the bubbles of hydrogen gas sticking to its surface. Metals like aluminum, iron and zinc do not react either with cold or hot water, but they react with steam to form the metal oxide and hydrogen. 2Al plus 3H2O gives Al2O3 plus 3H2. 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Metals such as lead, copper, silver and gold do not react with water at all. Arrange the metals in the decreasing order of reactivity with water. K greater than Na, greater than Ca, greater than Mg, greater than Al, greater than Fe. Metals react with water and produce a metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Metal oxides that are soluble in water dissolve in it to further form metal hydroxide. But all metals do not react with water. Metal plus water gives metal oxide plus hydrogen. Metal oxide plus water gives metal hydroxide.